I have another question. If we get angry often and not able to relate, what is the COS cause of depression? I'm assuming that's cause. Shreyash, you can unmute and ask that question. Shreyash would help me understand it better.
Yo, hello, Vishal Anandji.
Hi, hi.
Hi, my question is if we get often angry and without knowing the reason why we are getting angry and gets
Mhm,
irritated sometimes, is
mhm.
it because of any, is it a sign of depression?
You know, yes, to an extent. See, if we are getting angry often, that's, I would, say in other words that we are getting irritated about things that are in or not in our control, right? If certain things like those happen, we are, we can assume that there is something really bad going on. And if it's a continuous phenomena, and trust me, that's one of the reason I've shared that link on this chat box. Maybe you can go back and do a self evaluation, and also help your friends or family to do that kind of a self evaluation. It shows your depression level, shows your anxiety level, kind of tells you more kind of your mental or psychological health, in terms of that. So that really helps. And of course, if you start being irritated, trust me, nothing helps like in meditation. It really helps you calm down, and I've used it. I know it for, and I can say it out of utmost confidence. It's a tried and tested, hundred thousands of years old practice. Please try and do meditation, so something like that happens. I also had a kind of difficult time. I hope that answers your question, Shreya. Sorry, I forgot asking that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
I'm practicing yoga as well, but that did not help me to control my anger. Other things are definitely did help in
Yeah.
terms of managing things, decision making, and then probably calming my mind. But then controlling.
I really understand your concern, Shreyas.
Yeah,
In fact,
the time
yeah.
one said that I think you are in some mental pressure or you are in
Yes.
some.
There are a lot of things that you cannot control yourself, right? I get really frustrated sometimes. So, a couple of things that I've stupidity that I've done myself is, couple of times I've broken my phone and laptop, right? So that helped me calm down. But again, coming to, the serious part of it, in case if you think that your anger is not able to be managed by all the things that you've tried, maybe there was, maybe you should try again, because there might be a loop somewhere. In case if it still doesn't work, why don't you try and speak to a professional? As I said, it's not a taboo to speak to a professional and to understand why it actually happens with you. Sometimes it may be because of some or the other, disease as well. So there are a lot of things. Why don't you take a professional help? In fact, I've spoken to people. I have anger management issues, so I have spoken to people, and then somehow I realized some things that have really worked out for me. You can also, again, going back to the same link, you will have some, free professional counseling available over there. So why don't you try that?
Sure, will be helpful.
Great. Also, Sumit has written, I
Thank
also had such kind of difficult time. In my case, my parents had given me birth and taken me out of that, you know, dark cloud, given you rebirth. Yes, of course. I think I've not mentioned it on this call, but all of us know that parents are the best friend. Your mom is the best friend that you can have. Your dad is the best friend that you can have. Maybe they will not share all the feelings every time, but if you go and, if you go with a heavy heart to them and pour everything out, that one person in your life can be, your parents, who can really listen to you. Maybe, they may end up slapping you, but trust me, they will come up with the best intended solution. Their solution may be, true, correct, not correct, wrong, very wrong, but the intent will never be wrong. So the intent will always be very good, right? Great. Yes, Shreyas, so to your other query, yes, I will definitely share that with you. Possibly you can get in touch with GTI, so you can get it with them.